BTC and the crypto markets got absolutely hammered last night into today. I posted a quick update video for you yesterday. I want to make a better video, more clear and concise, and as things developed more today, I have a more clear picture of where price seems to be wanting to go, what the wave structure is saying as far as Elliott Wave goes. We're also going to look at Ethereum, which got 38% drop in Ethereum from the highs here. That's crazy. We knew Ethereum was going to get hit. But yeah, we're going to look at Ethereum as well and look at a couple things. I'm going to show you why I think this structure is playing out. I don't want you guys to get too worried. Everyone's getting extremely bearish. You know I'm bearish. You know I am. But I'm not bearish yet. Things are changing for me here. I'm going to show you why. Now, stick with me. This is important stuff. I'm going to jam through this in a 10-minute video. Watch it all the way through. Let's get right into it, guys. If you're new to the channel, I do trade Elliott Wave theory, and I have perfected it in my own opinion. For Bitcoin, at least, we nail these markets. Join the Discord. It's free, linked in the description below if you want to stay up to date with what we're doing. I'm going to pause for a second. Like the video right now. Leave a comment down below if you think all-time high is in and we are just going to start dipping to the downside and leaking to the downside, or do you think we're going to find support somewhere here and come up and break through all-time high again in the near future? Leave a comment down below. I want to see what everyone's thinking right now. I'm curious. And like the video. Thank you. Let's get into this. Okay, so Bitcoin, what was Bitcoin's percentage drop here? Let's see. 27%. Oh man, we were short from right here, took it all the way down. I was expecting this move to these targets right here, decided to stop and retrace and then give us the move. It is what it is. It is what it is. Go back and watch my videos. We knew these targets were getting smacked. It's not a surprise. It's not a surprise. But here we are. Let's evaluate and see where price is looking like it wants to go here. Overall, as I zoom out, I'm going to give you a big picture real quick. As things progress for me and as things are changing here, I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is looking more like a 1, 2, 3. We're in the middle of a 4 wave into a 5 wave to the upside, right? It's just giving that look to me, rather than we're starting a descent down, or rather than an ABC to the upside, a correction, which would lead to more of an impulsive wave to the downside for a bigger flat correction. It just looks like more of a 5 wave impulse that we're in right now, from the most recent price action at least. And let's examine why. I'm going to keep this wave 4 on there just for reference, and let's look at the charts. So wave 4, I'm looking for a W, X, Y, and in my opinion, spoiler alert, I'm looking for a nice retrace here, something like this, maybe to 65k, maybe threaten to go up one more time. Where's our trend line on this? I don't want to come and touch the trend line. Yeah, so this is what I'm honestly looking for on Bitcoin. And then another hit lower to complete our WXY. So we have a zigzag here, zigzag here, zigzag here, maybe correct down. It's hard to say with these WXYs. As you can see, it's just a bunch of wonky action like this. But just from the looks of it, it looks like some type of an ABC here. You can call this an intro wave into a flat correction. Here's another wave, and then some type of correction here. But I don't like that. I want this to be more of the correction, even into here. So you can call it an ABC, some type of a flat, and we look for another ABC, which is kind of what I have drawn up. In this case, you would just pull the X wave over here. And let me just give you the lines on this. Stick with me, guys. Stick with me. So that's the overall structure that we're looking at, coming down to like 46k on this. If that is the play, come up, sweep liquidity. Everyone thinks we're going to take out all-time high now, but then back down. But either way, when this finishes up, I'm looking for an impulsive wave up out of here, coming up towards 80K. And as we zoom out, that would complete our structure that I have drawn up, the 5-wave structure. And we're going to look at a couple of reasons why I think this is what's playing out here, guys. And I just don't want this to take anyone by surprise. I know I've been bearish. I know I've been calling for an impulsive wave to the downside. It looks like we're maybe getting that, but the way things are progressing here, I'm skeptical. I'm very skeptical. And I'm really leaning towards this being the count. Wave 4 into a wave 5. All right. So now what can we look at? Why? And we're going to look at Ethereum as well, because Ethereum, I'm going to draw up for you exactly what that's doing as well. And real quick, before we get into that, guys, if you join the free Discord, linked in the description below, there's option to upgrade to premium, which you get 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts here for your favorite cryptos, regular markets. You get daily alerts. I'm posting here constantly. If you want to stay up to date with my trades and what I'm doing, you need to be in premium Discord. I'm constantly in the chat. You get access to my full Elliott Wave course and other learning material, and a free indicator, which is this momentum oscillator. You get that if you join premium Discord. Right now, $25 off your first month if you use the code 25 off. If you want to get in, try it out, now is your time. Do this. I don't know how long I'm running this promo for, so get in there, use code 25 off for $25 off your first month, and I'll see you in there. I'll see you on the other side. Let's get back to the charts, baby. All right. Actually, last thing I want to plug, guys. I'm sorry. Last thing we're gonna plug. If you go down to the description, check out Blowfin. I have linked here. You get 15% back on your deposits. It's a free 15% gain on your account if you use that link. Why not? Just go use it. Your initial deposit, you will get 15% back. That's massive. And also, you're entered to trade up to win a Rolex. If you like trading, I mean, look, if your total volume's above $1,000, which is easy with leverage, you get $20. If it's above $1 million, easy with leverage, you get AirPods. Like, go utilize the link, guys. If you're looking for a no KYC exchange, if you're looking to start trading, that's what I use. That's what everyone uses now. Blowfin, check them out. They're amazing, amazing liquidity, super smooth. Sign up with an email, get you some. Okay. Now, why am I leaning towards this being the count? Well, to be honest with you, RSI, as easy as this is, RSI is extremely oversold. On the daily, we are oversold. On the weekly, we're putting in hidden bullish divergence. This is a massive mound of momentum we have on the weekly time frame. If you look at here where we had the massive mound of momentum, we did have to come up and kind of calm it down and cool it down, which led to another all-time high getting put in back in 2021. Similar thing here, and you can translate this down to smaller time frames, guys. It's all the same. Like, you keep seeing the same, like here, big wave, small wave, took out the high. Big wave, I'm expecting a smaller wave to come at least close to the high, or if not take out the high. In this case, we're taking out the high. You know, hidden bullish divergence is getting set as we speak. Look at this. I mean, didn't even draw that right. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, price is right here. RSI is reset on the weekly to where price was right there. Like, look at that difference, guys. We need to come up. We have enough momentum to come take out all-time high again. If this wants to keep pushing down, which what I have drawn here is a correction and then down one more. So it would look like a correction on this trend line, down one more, break the trend line, fully reset weekly RSI, and then look at all that room we have to just yam to the upside, guys. It's very real. It's looking more and more likely as time goes on. Let's hop over to Ethereum. Let's give a look at Ethereum and what I'm expecting here, because if I'm going to be in a coin, you know I trade Bitcoin, you know I trade Ethereum. Those are my two, like, that's my bread and butter right there. I don't really mess with the alts as far as trading goes. I'm looking to long the crap out of Ethereum, guys. I'm looking at this being a giant WXY, at least WXY correction to the upside. And if that is the case, you know, Ethereum's looking to finish its move to the downside. This giant move is what I'm looking to catch. That 200%, 160%, 170% gain. If you're long in this with leverage down here, oh boy, you're in for a treat. If this is the move, so let's zoom in on Ethereum. I do think we have a little lower to go on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Right now, you can look at it as a flat correction, or you can look at it as some type of a WXY correction. Either way, we're right here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm looking for really just dust to settle, correct up when Bitcoin has its correction here. Let me go back to the good chart. When Bitcoin has this correction, like that, and then comes down for one more, Bitcoin's going to have more of an ABC look here. Ethereum, I believe, will have more of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look, and your ABC will be right here, right? So I think Ethereum's not going to correct as high as Bitcoin will. Bitcoin's fixing to correct like up in this area if you're looking at the Bitcoin chart. Ethereum looking right here around 2,700, and then back down for one more, get you some, maybe to the 2, maybe 1,900, and that's gonna look freaking juicy. That's gonna look freaking juicy. And I'll tell you, you know, if you look at time frames like the weekly and the daily, really look how oversold the daily is. Come on. And on Bitcoin as well, the daily's oversold, right? If we get this move and then we come down for one more low, we put in daily true bullish divergence on the daily, yeah, you're looking big time, boys and girls, big time payday. That's the next monster trade I'm getting into. That's what I'm waiting patiently for. Obviously, I'm going to try to scalp the shit out of this. I'm going to take this down. Hopefully, that's the trading plan. If you want to stay up to date, like I said, join Discord, join the premium Discord for my daily alerts. I'm in there all the time, constantly, through the weekend. I take great pride in my Discord. Look how clean it looks, guys. Look how clean. It's the cleanest Discord you've ever seen. Come on. So that's the plan. I hope you guys survived this dump. Thank you for watching the video. If you watched all the way through, like the video. Also leave a comment if we're taking out all-time high on Bitcoin in the near future or not. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. It truly means a lot. It means the world to me. I love y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.